Hey guys, welcome to Hobbyista Down Under. This is your fellow hobbyista Johnny, and today we will be unboxing Desktop Cute Marin Kitagawa as Rizu from the adult game that was featured in Sonobisuke Doru wa Koi wo Suru, or My Dress Up Darling. Rizu is one of the characters that Marin cosplayed as in the manga and anime, and she's really cute. The Desktop Cute line of figures are one of my favorite lines in the Crane Game series of figures. You can also purchase this in any of your anime figure shops near you. Let's get started with this review. First off, let's look at the packaging. The box shows different angles of Rizu and also a close-up of her. Design-wise, I think Taito and Aniplex did a solid job to keep all their Desktop Cute series nice to the eyes. It's simple and shows exactly what you're gonna get when you open the box. The color choices are fitting, and the packaging is quite glossy. All in all, it is very appealing. Time to open up this bad boy. Let's go. Kitagawa. Desktop Cute. Sorry, just looking at the box. See, she's right there waiting for you, baby. Oops, there's a freaking. Let's go. Tape. Let's unleash this beauty. Oh, so cute. Out of the box, Rizu is quite a beauty. The paint job is simple, but that's what you get for a $40 Crane price figure. The skin tones, the hair color, and costume work are great. The textures work so well to the little clothing that she has. The facial expression is really good too. Reminded me of the scene from the anime. The hair is not as soft, but don't think it will break easily. Her wings and tail really pop out in this succubus costume. There's no need for assembly, as it is a Desktop Cute figure. Get it out of the box and display instantly. How cool is that? I really like this figure, and I think price-wise, it's okay. If you really want to, you can also repaint it, and I'm sure there are other fellow hobbyistas out there who can make this happen. The Desktop Cute line is easy to store, as they're tiny compared to others out there. And if this is the sort of figure you like, then please do so. I'm sure they will have the character you like, since they have released quite a few of them. Hope you like this short review. And if you do, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share. See you later.